Hello everyone, welcome to Richer English. Today we are going to study the differences between talk, tell, say, and speak. These are four verbs that are used very commonly throughout the English language, and they each mean something a little bit different. So we're going to talk about how they are different and how they are used. Starting with speak. Speak is our basic ability, right? So when you think about a baby making noises with their mouth, we can say that baby can speak, as in a basic ability to do something. Think of another example. You learn another language, or someone learns a foreign language. Therefore, you use speak. The man can speak Korean. Or he can say, I can speak Korean. The second way we use speak is in one-way verbal communication. Now, usually, not always, but usually, this is one person speaking to a group of people who are listening, right? So that one person is speaking to a group of people. Often we use speak. For example, the manager spoke to the employees. Now let's move up and take a look at tell. How do we use tell? There are three different ways that we commonly use tell. One is to give or request information. So information is the key word. For example, you need the time. Please tell me what time the meeting starts. You are requesting information. Another way is to demand something. Think about your parents or your teachers. They tell you, demand you. For example, I told you to be quiet. The teacher told the students to be quiet. That is a demand. The final way we use it is to share a story, giving a story. For example, think about a parent or a mother sitting with their boy, child, daughter, and the son says, Mom, please tell me a story. So he's requesting, tell me a story. The mother told her son a story. So story, we use tell. Now a little key information. Please remember, do not use to when you use tell. The mother told to her son a story. You do not use to in that situation. It is not necessary to include that. Now let's take a look at talk. Talk, right? So there are two common ways we use talk, and it's usually about a conversation. Two or more people speaking to each other. A conversation was when we commonly use talk. For example, the man says, Hi, let's talk about your project, meaning I want to have a conversation about your project. The woman can reply, Yes, I'm happy to talk to you about it. Yes, I want to have a conversation with you. Now, talk, the two main ways that we use it are for something and to someone, right? So we talk about something, a topic, or to someone, a person. So topics, talk about sports, talk about movies, talk about books, talk about music, etc. We use talk. Talking to another person in conversation way. Talk to my friend, talk to a parent, talk to the teacher, talk to a customer. The last one we're going to look at today is say. Now, say we commonly use for reported speech. We report what somebody has said. For example, he said, she said. And we look at this example of the man on the phone talking to his friend. What did your mom say? He's asking. His friend, the girl, is going to tell him. She said that I have to study tonight, right? So she said, reporting somebody's speech. He said, she said. Similar is direct speech, which is a quotation, meaning these specific exact words that person used in that situation. The president said. His exact words, the president said, I'm very rich. I am very rich. Who is I? I is the president. So that is going to be direct speech. So there are several ways that we use talk, tell, speak, and say in the English language. Please review those in this quick mini lesson. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Reach out to me. Until next time, have a great day. Talk to you later.